Ẹ káàárọ̀ o ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ṣé dáadáa ni? Àkọ́lé iṣẹ́ wa ti òní ni sílébù èdè Yorùbá. Kí ni a mọ̀ sí sílébù? Sílébù ni ègé ọ̀rọ̀ tí èémí lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. Sílébù ni ègé ọ̀rọ̀ tí èémí lè gbé jáde lẹ́nu lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. A syllable is a single, unbroken sound of a spoken or written word. Nígbà tí a bá sọ wípé sílébù, tí a bá sọ ọ̀rọ̀ bíi adé, sílébù mélòó ni a ní nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn? It's as good as saying you beat the word adé. We have two syllables in the word adé because it is what? When you beat it, you have adé, adé. So ó túbọ̀ sí pé sílébù méjì ni a ní nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Tá a bá sọ pé wá, sílébù kan ló wà nínú wá. Nígbà tí a bá ní dìde, we have two syllables in it. Now, let's go to what we call types of syllable. Oríṣi syllable. We have two different types of syllable and they are ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́yọ syllable àti ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́pọ̀ syllable. Kí ni a mọ̀ sí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́yọ syllable? What do we understand by ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́yọ syllable? This is what we refer to as monosyllabic words. Mono means one. This means they are words that has just one syllable. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, for example, wá, jẹ, sùn, kọ, kà, gbà. They all have just one syllable. The second type of syllable is ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́pọ̀ syllable, which we refer to as multisyllabic words. Multi means more than one. These are words that have more than one syllable. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, olùkọ́, 3 syllables. Ilé, 2 syllables. Dìde, 2 syllables. Àgbàlagbà, 5 syllables. The next subtopic we are going to look at is ẹ̀yà tàbí ìhun syllable. Ìhun syllable lè jẹ́ fáwẹ́lì. Ìhun syllable lè jẹ́ àpapọ̀ consonant àti fáwẹ́lì. Ìhun syllable lè jẹ́ consonant àránmúpè àṣẹ syllable. What do we understand by that? We said the syllabic structure can either be the combination of what? Consonant and the vowel sound. Bí àpẹẹrẹ, wí plus a will give us what? Wá. Jí plus ẹ will give us jẹ. And ìhun syllable, the syllabic structure can also be what? Fáwẹ́lì alone. If fáwẹ́lì alone can function as syllable in words like a, dé, adé. If you look at it, a is a syllable on its own, which is what? Fáwẹ́lì nìkan. Ìhun syllable can also be consonant àránmúpè àṣẹ syllable, which we refer to as nasal consonant. And this example of such is in words like pátá, lá. If you look at the word, we have 4 syllables there. Pátá, lá. The there is what we refer to as what? Consonant àránmúpè àṣẹ syllable. Another example whereby we have consonant àránmúpè àṣẹ syllable is in words like ńlá, òróǹbó, òróǹbó. The there is what we refer to as what? Consonant àránmúpè àṣẹ syllable. Another good example is jáhùnbù, jáhùnbù. The there is a syllable, which is what we refer to as what? Consonant àránmúpè àṣẹ syllable. I'm going to give you examples of words and we'll look at the structure of the syllable. For instance, in words like olùkọ́, if you are to divide olùkọ́ into syllable, you know we have 3 syllables there, right? O is vowel. The li and hu, which is L and U, is what? Àpapọ̀ consonant àti vowel. That's the syllabic structure, consonant àti vowel. Then the last one, which is ko, ko, or ki, or in Yoruba, is what? Consonant àti vowel. So that is the syllabic structure, which is F, KF, then KF. When we discuss syllable, there are some things we need to take note of. There are some important points we need to note. 1. Syllable kò lè ní ju consonant kan lọ. What do we understand by that? What do we actually mean by that? A syllabic structure cannot have more than one consonant. If you look at when we divided olùkọ́ into syllable, you notice that it was KF. We didn't have KKF. The moment there is KKF, when you divide words into syllable and you have KKF in Yoruba language, then be rest assured that something is wrong with your word division of words into syllable, or in your beating of words into syllable. Another important point to take note is that just as we know that consonant does not end a word in Yoruba language, so also we can't have what? Consonant ending a syllable. Thank you.